The Chase Inc. Business Preferred credit card was introduced only about 2 years ago, and it is easily one of the best business credit cards out there. There's no other business credit card that has such a massive sign-up bonus, tons of travel perks, bonus spend categories, and a low annual fee of only $95. If you've been thinking about applying for a business credit card, here are 9 reasons why the Chase Inc. Business Preferred is the card to get. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. The number one reason I love the Chase Inc. Business Preferred is the 80,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. This bonus is worth at a minimum $1,000 at a valuation of 1.25 cents per point. That's the minimum value you get out of these 80,000 points. You can get much higher value if you use your points strategically with transfer partners. Number 2 is points earning potential. The card has 3 times points bonus categories, which are travel, shipping purchases, internet, cable and phone services, and advertising purchases with social media and search engine websites. You earn triple points on the first $150,000 spent in combined purchases in these categories each account anniversary year. Otherwise, you earn 1 point per dollar on all spend. Number 3 is 25% more value in points redemption. Just like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can redeem your points towards travel purchases through Chase's travel portal at a value of 1.25 cents per point. This is where the $1,000 value of the sign-up bonus came from. Redeeming the 80,000 points for $1,000 worth of travel is easy and straightforward and should be the minimum value you get out of these points. Number 4 is flexibility of the points you earn. You can transfer the points you earn with the Chase Inc. Business Preferred to 9 airlines and 4 hotels at a 1-to-1 ratio. This is where you can truly maximize the value of your points. Some of my favorite Chase partners are Singapore Airlines, Hyatt Hotels, and United Airlines. Number 5 is cell phone protection benefit. The card offers up to $600 per claim in cell phone protection against covered theft or damage for you or your employees listed on your monthly cell phone bill when you pay with your Inc. Business Preferred card. You can have a maximum of 3 claims in a 12-month period, and there's a $100 deductible per claim. Number 6 is travel and purchase protection. The Chase Inc. Preferred offers trip cancellation and interruption coverage of up to $5,000 per trip and extended warranty protection for up to a year on eligible purchases. Number 7 is points pooling. The Chase Inc. Preferred is great for earning and redeeming points, but you can increase the value of your points when you pool those points with your Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve has the ability to redeem your points for travel through Chase's portal at a value of 1.5 cents per points instead of 1.25. On the other hand, if you don't have the Sapphire Reserve but have a no annual fee card like the Business Unlimited or the Chase Freedom, you can bring those points to your Chase Inc. Preferred account and use them at a better value than the 1 cent per point cashback you get with those cards. Number 8 is the ability to refer other people. If you have the Chase Inc. Preferred, you can earn 20,000 points for every person who applies and is approved to the card. You can only earn up to 100,000 points per year through referrals. Speaking of which, my referral link is in the description below. If you want to apply for the card, I'd appreciate it if you applied using my link. This way I'll get 20,000 points and you'll get the normal offer of 80,000 points when you meet the minimum spend. Number 9 is that it doesn't count towards the 524 rule. So in order to apply for the card, you must be under 524, meaning you didn't open 5 or more credit cards with any bank in the last 24 months. However, if you apply for another Chase card after you get the Chase Inc. Business Preferred, it won't count towards 524 since Chase Business credit cards don't get reported on your credit report. So if you're now at 424, you can apply for the Chase Inc. Business, and if you want to apply for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, for example, after that, you'd still be able to, since technically you'll still remain at 424. Bottom line is, if you're looking to apply for a business credit card, I highly recommend the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.